What is DAQ? ICP DAS USA's November White Paper. Data acquisition, or DAQ, is the process of capturing and measuring data from real-world conditions and processes. In this white paper, we will briefly discuss some of our modules, including the ET7018Z. This module has 10 analog input channels, which accept thermocouples, current or voltage inputs, and 6 isolated digital output channels. It acquires temperature sensor inputs and can control a machine on-off state using isolated digital outputs. Data acquisition and control systems are everywhere. It could be a digital thermostat or a security alarm system in your home. A digital thermostat is an example of a human-machine interface, or HMI, that people use to read sensor data and change control conditions. Our TPD283UH HMIs can easily act as a digital thermostat. It can communicate over Modbus TCP to the ET7018Z module using the Modbus TCP protocol. The ET7018Z provides an interface to monitor the thermocouple temperature sensors and control condenser units, fans, and other HVAC equipment. The digital thermostat is just a small example of data acquisition and control, but even its basic structure can be applied to more complex applications, such as temperature control in an entire building with several rooms and floors. Complexity in data acquisition and control systems tend to be a matter of scale rather than additional layers, although there is one more layer to consider, which is the IT layer. The IT layer provides an additional interface for storing, displaying, and manipulating data while providing additional control interfaces. If the control layer can be exemplified in an HMI or PLC, then the IT layer is in the cloud or local network. Examples of IT-level software are SCADA and IoT platforms, such as IoT Star. To learn more about IoT Star, check out our webinar right here on our channel. We show a demonstration of how the platform works. Data storage and visualization are necessary building blocks to maximize efficiency through OEE and predictive maintenance. IoT platforms make it possible to collect data and bring it all into one centralized control system. If you would like to read the full white paper, click the link in the description or go to our website at www.icpdas-usa.com. You will find more white papers and registration links to our future webinars on the site. And be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be alerted when new videos are uploaded.